going to do today?
We're gonna be opening LOLs with Hiba.
Well, surprise toys with Hiba. Okay, what are you guys gonna pick today?
First, we're gonna do this one.
No.
Because it seems easy.
Okay, let Hiba do it.
This one.
Okay. Hiba, you do one, I do the other.
Close your eyes.
I did it.
Oh, I opened it. I'm sorry.
Hey.
What is that thing? Oh, there's two more. You have two more. Wow, we got some sticker to decorate. Wow, so fun.
Get over that
Okay,
one.
let's open this one.
I'm concentrating.
What are we gonna get on this time on this
I'm
one?
still concentrating.
I want to use.
I won't open it one way. Here you go. You put your hands in.
I need help.
You need help too?
I'm still in the first one.
See this zip part here?
Yeah.
Look.
What did you get? Show me.
And then she
We
got
gotta decorate her, huh? Show me this.
Yeah.
Did you open it?
Not yet.
I broken his sunglasses.
But it's fine.
Hey, Hannah. Maybe we could put a phone.
I'm closing on nothing.
Oh, you got another baby. You got another LOL baby. Okay, you got a skateboard. Okay,
Wonder if I got stickers. No, I didn't.
you got this. Glitter? Glitter.
I found one of these again. I found it right here.
What is that? Look at this. Which one is this? What is this?
Where is a character? What?
Okay. Let's open this. This doll call is. Where is that one? They're all glitter ones. Wow. It's a glitter.
Where's the one in?
Yeah. Yeah.
No. Can we put this on again? Can poo. Poo. Mama, hold on. Is that candy?
Mama, what's more healthier? 2 cookies, M&M cookies with milk, or 2 M&M cookies? Because I'm having 2 M&M cookies.
Bye,
Bye, viewers. I hope you liked our video. See you next time in the next video. Bye. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite LOL was. Was it the big ones? These two? What, out of these? Or these?
1, 2, 3.
And I made a big mistake. Bye.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm hitting myself.